Like I said, I've been getting into shoes, so hey guys up, what's poppin'? How you doing? So in today's video, I'll be sharing you guys the look of this Air Jordan 1 in lucky green. Before we start though, I just want to say thank you to my boyfriend. He is the plug. He's actually the one that bought me these. I love it so much.
Thank you.
And like I said, these are the Jordan 1 in lucky greens in our hands right now. These dropped in October 14th, 2020, and it comes in women's sizes. So you already know, if you are a guy and interested in this gem right here, then you'll have to convert it on your size. I got size 8.5 in women's, and if you were lucky, you got one in this retail price of $170. So in this video, we will go over the overview, the history, the sizing, and the resale.
It's all that good stuff.
But before we start though, if you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post videos every single week. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. You already know where it is. Come on in. Alrighty, so let's start with the box. It is just a regular vibrant red with the black lettering of the Nike and the swoosh. And this is what the bottoms looks like. I got this in a pretty good condition. Like there's no rips or anything. And the tag is still there. So we are good.
Yes, yes, yes.
So that is that. Alrighty guys, I'm not gonna make you guys wait. So let's open this bad boy. I think I need a table right here because, you know, I'm just doing this manually. Oh my gosh. It is such a sick shoes. Look at these gems right here. I love it so much. Like,
look at that.
anyways, it's just such a good shoes to have. Like, it's so extra, but we love it here. Anyways, as you guys can see, I already put on the laces, and it actually comes with 3 laces, you guys. Like, it comes with black, and I also have the green right here and a red right here. Isn't it so cool? Because you can style it up in 3 different ways. Like if you want more vibrant stuff, then you're gonna put these laces right here. This would pop right here if I put this. But if you just want to be low-key, because you already have that vibrant green going on, then we can just stick with a regular black laces. I actually cannot make up my mind what laces should I put, but in this video I decided to just do, you know, the regular black, and this is what it looks like. Oh yeah. This shoes has a vibrant green, white, black, red, which I love. This sole has this off-white, or other people may call it sail color. You know, it is not just flat white. I actually didn't notice that until my boyfriend pointed it out. A lot of you may not like this kind of green, but I personally love it. How bright it is. It can just like be a statement on your outfit. Also, the pop of reds right here are such a good statement because it is just low-key, you know. It doesn't really clash. I don't know, it's just me. And it had just a simple black bottoms. Also, the insole, it is not just a regular black or white insole. It has this unique yellow patterned insole. Apparently that pattern is the basketball court in Boston, so it just looks like the basketball in Boston back in the day. So I thought that was so cool because that actually has like a meaning, and I looked it up, so I'm gonna put a picture right here so you guys can see. It's so cool. It has the leather throughout the shoes. The swoosh sign though, it has a shiny leather, which is cool because it kind of pops out more. Like, look how shiny that is.
Yes.
I personally love the quality of these shoes. Like the leather, it has that soft leather, which is great because it will not hurt your feet. Can we just look at the details right here? Like the pop of red. If you're unfamiliar with lucky green color block, from my research, it is actually inspired when Michael Jordan did the 63 points in the game. It was a playoffs game against the Boston Celtics.
Jordan with 8 on the clock. Jordan ties the game. Oh boy. 63 points, and you're looking at an all-time record.
And you already know they beat the Celtics.
That is so crazy to me because how can a one person just do a 63 games in one game?
He's such a machine. I just think knowing the shoe history makes the shoes more special, and you kind of know why it's so influential, you know? And like I said, I personally got mine in 8.5 in women's, and this one fits like a glove. So if you are interested and want to cop one, I would recommend to get your true size, like the size that you usually get. This shoes had a retail price of $170, but currently across the board, people be reselling these around $250 to $300, and I have a feeling that this would still go up.
Like, look at this gem, like.
And of course, I'm not gonna forget, here's the Montage. For this video, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a like if you like it. Also subscribe if you haven't. Overall, this is a great additional to my small Jordan collection. I'm so happy that I have them. If I forgot anything, or if you guys have any questions about these shoes, make sure to comment down below and I will make sure to answer all of them. And also, today's shout out goes to you. Thank you so much for commenting. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. Bye.
Talking while you come around and now they silent.